What is up to the A&E squad? What is up with y'all? So I got this egg right here. I'm gonna smash it on Amanda's head during this video. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all already know Team Erykah down below in the comment section. Team Amanda, they losing. Team Erykah all day, every day. Y'all already know what it is. Stay tuned, y'all. I'm out. Peace.
You the one that I want every night. You the one that I want on my side.
It's yarn, not yarn.
What is up to the A&E squad? We back at y'all with another lit video, and today we're gonna be reacting to who?
NBA Youngboy.
Slime beef. Slime beef, slime belief. Whatever, the title is down below. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the gang. You know what I mean? Thank y'all so much for
A&E gang.
Thank y'all so much. We're at like 500 subscribers. Thank y'all so much.
A&E gang better than squad. A&E gang.
Anyways, let's get into this video.
Started. Slime belief.
Slime belief. Oh, belief. I said beef. I saw a clip of this on his Instagram. He posted it.
You know what Youngboy say? Youngboy.
I'm always do. If you want it, you got it. You know how I'm rocking. They never could stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up for the score and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miles. Tears fall from the lies despite 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't want to live life. Now I'm happy on the in and outside. Can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Post up with Berettas. Hustling through the night, yeah. Spin the block for the stretch. I'm with the hood up when we wear them. And it's all gonna be alright, yeah. When that road choice take your life. Pressure be on top of that Nike print. Friend of rich niggas kicking your bake though. And they should give a roll to niggas who own it, who don't know a thing but trap though. Blue faces, I put that over net. That shit that we sellin' up make you relapse though. Thinking I'm slipping, run up and get clapped though. I put that knife on the map pole. Turn up on a bitch when I'm gone, I a perk. They all gon' fuck on the fast beat. Been behind me, do the dash, keeping up in the vert. You get jacked out your shit, you can't text me. Pussy nigga throwing shots, ain't at me. Dropped up, tell a nigga get at me. Tough love for a bitch, won't trap me. Pay for the body, then I give him the Mac free. Got a pound in the car, I'ma smoke on that. Left the stay for a show and I'm coming back. If he say he won't smoke, ain't no falling back. Want a bitch for the play, I'ma blow the strap. He ain't using his head, put it in his lap. He ain't ballin', can tell that he only rap. I just put 40 bands inside the trap. Every manifestation I'm calling real. Gang, now can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Post up with Berettas. Hustling through the night, yeah. Tell to bust a right, yeah. Hop out gun flames through the night, yeah. You know how I'm rocking, you know that I'm with it. You loyal to me, I make sure that you get it. If you want it, you got it. You know how I'm rocking, they never can stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up to the store and they never can block it. After the show, I count up in the miles. Tears fall from the lies despite 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't want to live life. Now I'm happy on the in and outside. You throw it out, watch it come back. Got a whole 100 racks in the D or a bag. Count up that money, I run up the stack. Born on a jet with an illegal strap. That shit that they talk, I can tell you is cap. Up off the X and I only took half. Stay in the jobs, I fall back from the tab. With a head in my way, I'ma put out the staff. I feel like it ain't no bitch I can have. Selling run boot with the fur like a bell. Balenciaga, that Gucci and Prada. I got on our 3 and I bought several. When it's up, we be sliding and ducking from trouble. Time-wise, clockwise, I never fail. Ain't no slacking, we hustling, we on it for real. Don't give it, we take it, you know what it is. Now can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Post up with Berettas. Hustling through the night, yeah. Spin the block for the stretch. Wake the hood up when we wear them. And it's all gonna be alright, yeah. When that wrong choice take your life, yeah. Be on top of that Nike print. Friend of rich niggas kicking your back though. And they should give a roll to niggas who own it, who don't know a thing but trap though. Blue faces, I put that over net. That shit that we sellin' up make you relapse though. Thinking I'm slipping, run up and get clapped though. I put that knife on the map pole.
Them edits is sick. To be continued. What is it to be continued?
That's it.
How long is this video? A 3-minute video?
It might be a part 2.
What do you think of this video?
It was good.
Like, what do you think
It was
of this video?
lit. They're showing his old life to his new life.
What do you think of this video?
He made it.
What?
My man's made it.
What else do you think? got you.
Erykah! Erykah, Marcia, hey.
She's trying to get me.
Oh, I ain't doing it right now. It's gonna go off.
You want another one?
Stop. That shit hurt. No, stop.
You want another one?
Stop. No. Stop. Stop, Erykah. You did one. That's it. Come on. Got egg all over me. Ah!
You ain't wonder
It's in
why.
my toes.
You didn't wonder why I put the blanket down?
No, you said there was crumbs on the floor.
Y'all, I put a blanket down. I put a blanket down. Oh my god, I got egg on me. Look. Oh
Bro,
my
look
god.
at this.
Bruh, I got egg on me.
Ah! I missed!
Oh! She missed!
Fuck.
My god, bruh, she missed.
Where'd it go?
Oh my god, she missed.
Oh man, it broke back there.
What?
I'll get the vacuum.
Great! You missed too!
I'm killing.
Wait, we gotta end the video.
I'm done. Ended.
Oh, she got egg all over my shirt.
It burst.
I was like, oh! Anyway.
It's in my nose.
What do you gotta say?
I'm done.
Anyways, you gotta say,
Aw.
it's Team Erykah all day, every day. Get with the program, Team Amanda. Get with the program. Y'all saw she missed me and everything. You know what I'm saying? Team Erykah all day down, every day. Down below in the comment section. I wanna see it, and we'll see y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.
Oh, Kurt.